my channel. My name is Joanne. This is my channel, Joanne Well. It is Magical Monday and we're here with our week 3. If you're just finding me here, Magical Mondays is where we're stepping into our intuition. I'm using these videos to share some exercises that I've learned, that I've gathered along the way to help me to step into my own life of magic. So tuning into my intuition, helping my psychic abilities. Still learning, but I want to share with you and you can learn along with me. Also going to be learning little bits about witchcraft, writing spells, affirmations. So it's a really good place to be here every Monday if this is something that you're interested in learning about. And if you do, like, subscribe, hit that notification button so that you know when my next video comes. If you're new to my channel, on Wednesdays I have Wealth Wednesday, share rituals, a whole variety of information about stepping into a world, a life of wealth. Wealth being feeling rich in your mind, your body and your soul. Every Saturday I share my podcast, Women's Wealth, aimed at educating, empowering and inspiring women to step into their own life of wealth. Let's get on to our third week, exercise 3. So just a very quick recap. Exercise 1, we had our countdown, helping us to tap into that theta alpha brainwave state. We need to be in that brainwave state in order for us to tap into our intuition. Doing this exercise daily, when you're meditating, or just as a break in between the day, just to reset and really tap into this state of mind. If you haven't watched the video, go back to watch exercise 1. Exercise 2, we had our childlike wonder day. Maybe if you did the exercise, you started to bring that in throughout every single day. This exercise allows us to step into our imagination, but by using our intuitive muscle, finding people, asking them questions, making those guesses, but using your intuition of their date of birth, where they come from, what life have they had, favorite colors, whatever it is that comes into your mind, sharing that with them and asking them to confirm when they are correct, and then using that energy of being correct and allowing yourself to grow. Exercise 3 is a nice short one today. Building on these, we're coming into some psychic affirmation. Now, affirmations, I also would say that they come under the umbrella of spells. Any words that we put out, anything that we say affects our lives. So if it's positive or negative, all being spells. So if you're, oh my God, I can't do that, you're putting that out into the universe, you're casting that spell that you can't do it. If you're saying, I can, I am going to, I see myself, I have, we're sending those words out. So these affirmations that we're going to go through today, yes, they're affirmations, but also start to look at them as a spell, the magic that they have within them. Every time you look in the mirror, the next infinite amount of days, you're going to affirm your own understanding, your own belief of your psychic abilities, your intuition, tapping into your intuitive abilities. The more you do this, the more you repeat, the more that this will become a belief. Now, some people are very negative about affirmations, but they do work. In the same way as when we're negative talking to ourselves, it has a negative effect on how we feel. If we're spending all day, I can't, I hate, I'm not doing this, even it's bringing my body down as I do this. When we're telling ourselves, I have, I can, I am able to, lifting us up. Whether you believe in affirmations or not, they do work because it's self-talk. Self-talk, it works the same way as talking to other people. If we keep telling someone that they're rubbish, they're bad, they can't do something, they're probably going to start believing it. Your affirmations. I am psychic. I receive accurate information. My witch's eye perceives with clarity. I can perceive the past, present, future with accuracy. My psychic powers are growing every day. Psychic ability is easy and comes naturally to me. I receive guidance in my dreams and I remember it. I trust my intuition. I am thankful for my ever-growing psychic gifts. Done. So maybe write them in your phone, record a voice note. Just throughout the day, when I'm driving in the car, I don't remember them in any particular order, but I will, randomly just shout out that my psychic gifts are growing. I trust my intuition. So just bringing it in where you can throughout your day-to-day life. Bringing these thoughts, affirming your beliefs, your powers within your mindset. And that is it for today. So enjoy, as always. Let me know how you get on. Let me know how you feel after doing these affirmations. And we'll be back next week with video number 4, exercise number 4. A little bit deeper each week, building on the previous exercise. Thank you for joining me. Like, subscribe, and hit that notification button.